Good evening, everyone. Thank you very much. We'd like to welcome you this evening to our show. We are called RUMOURS, the Australian Fleetwood Mac Experience. Tonight we're going to take you through from the 60s, 70s, 80s and 90s. So there's all the great hits in there of Fleetwood Mac. Without any further ado, we'll take one off an older album. This one's called Outside the Rain.
When